everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video, we're going to make some ooey gooey marshmallow popcorn. This snack is perfect for movie nights, game nights, or to give as gifts for the holidays. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 12 cups of popped popcorn, 6 tablespoons of butter, 4.5 ounces of unwrapped soft caramels, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. Melt the butter, unwrapped caramels, and brown sugar in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the mini marshmallows and stir until they are melted and the mixture is smooth. Add the popped popcorn to the skillet and stir to coat with the caramel marshmallow mixture. Spread the popcorn onto a large baking sheet covered with parchment paper and allow it to cool. I hope you love this marshmallow caramel popcorn as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!